Hi everybody, it's Teacher Alexis again with Learning with Teacher Alexis. Welcome back to another day of learning some fun different things that I have planned. But guess what? I have something to tell you. Yesterday was Tuesday, and that means today's Wednesday. But that's not the special surprise. It is we said goodbye to March and hello to April. Today is April 1st, or as some people know it, it's called April Fool's Day. What does that mean? If you don't know what that means, it means that sometimes people play jokes on each other and say, April Fools. So maybe you can think of something that won't hurt somebody, but it will be funny, and then you play the joke, and then you say, April Fools. But anyways, it is April, and April starts with the letter A, and it has this many letters in it. 5. A, P, R, I, L. So if we start with the letter A, it's A, and P is P, and R is and I is I, and L is L. April. The year is still 2020. But before we get to the weather, let's sing Hello, How Are You? So warm up your hands. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Over here, I'm doing great. Still in my house, but in a different location. As you can see, I have different pictures in the background. Those are pictures I actually took. Did you know photography could be art too? Not just drawing or painting. Photography could be art too. Today, we're going to go on a scavenger hunt. Are you excited? I hope so. But first, before we go on our scavenger hunt, we're going to talk about some shapes. 2 different shapes that you guys know. We're going to talk about, it is a circle, and we're going to talk about squares. So first thing first, I'm going to hold up a square. I want you to tell me what color it is, and then I'm going to ask you if the next square is bigger or smaller. So get ready. Here we go. So I have a purple square, and I'm going to show you my red square. What one is bigger? Is it purple or is it red? If you said purple, you're right, because do you see how the purple square eats up the red square? So it means it's bigger. See? It got eaten up. All right, here's 2 more. I have a, what color is that? Oh, orange. And I have a blue. And so, what one is smaller? Is the blue smaller or is the orange smaller? If you said orange, thumbs up. The blue one eats up that orange square. So the orange is smaller. If I were going to take the purple square and the red square and the blue square and the orange square, what one would be the smallest? What one would be the biggest? What do you think? Is it the purple is the biggest, or is it the red? The purple is the biggest, so it goes purple, red, then blue, and the last one would be orange. Do you see how they all fit into that purple? The red fits into the purple, the blue fits into the red, and the orange fits into the blue. So that's the order of these squares. Now, the next one we're going to do is circles. I have a silver, or sometimes you guys call it gray circle. I have a wooden circle, or you can say it's a little bit brown. And I have purple. And they're all circles. So, is this silver circle bigger than this brownish circle? If you said yes, you are correct, because look it. You see that silver lining? The edge? That means that it's bigger because you can see the edge of the silver. All right, now let's try the brown one and the purple one. What one is bigger? If you said the brown one, you got it, because look it, that one has an edge too. So it's eating up that purple circle. So those are our two shapes, circles and squares. What your job is going to be in a few seconds after we sing a song is you're going to go on a scavenger hunt around your house to find squares and circles. And I hope you guys can find a lot, because I know if you look around, you can find a lot of squares and a lot of circles. And guess what? They're everywhere, because I look in my little house and I can see a lot of squares and circles too. But before we go, I want to sing goodbye to you, all right? So, goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, everybody. It was so nice to see you. Good luck finding those circles and squares. And remember, make thumbs up choices today. Love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.